Well, good morning, my dear students. We are going through our chapter number 18, that is pollution of air and water. And we have a lengthy one session on this, in which we have tried to understand what is air and water pollution and what are its harmful effects. What makes our environment polluted? Which are the different gases and what is their harmful effect? Okay, let's try to summarize. कहने का मतलब क्या है कि हमने अभी तक पढ़ा है पोल्यूशन क्या है और the matter which pollute our environment or water, that is termed as what? उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Pollutants. We have tried to understand in the last session that up to a certain level, the things present in air and water are tolerable, and beyond that, they are harmful to our health. That is pollution. Unnecessary, high concentration. That's all. And the matter which is having high concentration and which is injurious to our health, that is what? Polluted. So presence of unwanted high concentration of matter, gases, other things, dust particles, ash, carbon particles, soot of the burning smoke and all that. All these are what? Pollutants of environment. Mainly क्या है बच्चों? सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है, ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन, lead oxide, all these, and mainly they are you can say they are in the air or the environment because of the burning of the fuels, fossil fuels or other fuels. And these harmful gases which are when we are present in excess, high concentration, they are soluble in water also, and they dissolve in the falling rain in the form of acid rain. And we have tried to understand what are the effects of the acid rain also. Mainly aquatic and forest life को disturb करती है. Forests are being destroyed, aquatic life is being destroyed, and then corrosion. It corrodes the things made of marble, other stones and metals, because acid is having reaction with marble and metals. We have already studied in metals, non-metals. So today we are coming on greenhouse and greenhouse effect. Okay. First of all, before coming to the greenhouse effect, what is a greenhouse? If you go to the word simply, greenhouse, it doesn't mean that as your blackboard is not black, it is a green board. As like that, if a house is green, that is a greenhouse. If you, कई बार क्या है ना बच्चों, some villas and कोठीज घर के बाहर लिखा था white house. आजकल कपड़े की दुकानें हैं, जो हमारे इस एरिया के अंदर विश्नोई समाज है, वो सफेद कपड़े ज्यादा डालता है. तो सफेद कपड़े, व्हाइट कुर्ता पजामास, व्हाइट यानी कि ट्राउजर्स, और यू कैन से व्हाइट शूज, व्हाइट सॉक्स, एवरीथिंग दे यूज व्हाइट. सो देयर आर certain shops in the market which are keeping only white cloth, cotton, polyester, this and that mix. So they are naming it white house. This greenhouse is not that way greenhouse which is painted green from outside and all that. बच्चों क्या है? Greenhouse. Here the green is the plants. Try to understand. कहने को तो मैं इसकी जो एक डेफिनेशन है in one line I can say, but I just want to explain you. There are plants which requires protection from the extreme colds. आपने देखा होगा बच्चों. These days in winter season, few farmers they are growing strawberry. they cover the plants of the strawberry with shield of the some वो कान फूस के वो होते हैं डंठल से, या उनको एक पॉलीथीन से वो कवर कर देते हैं, so that they are protected from the extreme colds. Strawberry plants at the initial stage. Likewise, there are certain plants which require protection from extreme cold, and this greenhouse is nothing but a house made up of glass, having roof of glass, sides glass and all that. And what is the beauty of the glass? Glass allows the heat rays to enter into it and does not allow the heat rays to radiate back or reflect back. How it happens? Everybody knows. We know that sun is a very hot object, extremely hot object. And the heat rays or the sun rays which are emitted from the sun, because of its hotness, they are of very short wavelength. छोटी छोटी होती हैं, जब चलती हैं वो छोटे छोटे waves में चलती हैं, not longer waves. And these short wavelengths sun rays, they can enter the glass easily. Transparent glass allows these short length wave heat rays to enter. अब क्या है बच्चों? The inside temperature of that glass house, having rooftop of glass, side walls of glass and all that is comparatively much less than the temperature of the sun. And then now what happens is, inside it is much temperature is much less as compared to the sun. So what happens is, when these rays, heat rays, sun rays, which bounced back because of the lower temperature, these sun rays are of longer wavelength, and these longer wavelengths sun rays, after bouncing or after radiation, cannot go out of the glass house. So what happens? That increases the temperature of the glass house. Interior temperature, जो internal temperature है glass house का, उसको जो outside उसके glass house के temperature है, उसके comparison में गर्म रखती है. So that is what a greenhouse effect. Greenhouse for plants. Glass house, plants need protection from cold. Trapping of more and more heat. Yes. कहने का मतलब क्या है? That glass house is trapping more and more heat, which is required by the plant for their protection and growth. थोड़ा सा बच्चों आपको मैं एग्जांपल देता हूं. Take the example. Majority of the you might be having four-wheelers. कार होगी आपके घर में. Perchance, when you are going out, घर में तो बच्चों के we are making a suitable parking place. When you are gone out for roaming or touring and all that, you are parking your car for half an hour outside in the scorching heat of the May-June. मई-जून में, अप्रैल-मई-जून में हमारे इस इलाके में बहुत भयंकर गर्मी पड़ती. Just imagine बच्चों, when you open the gate of the car, when you want to go again back to your home or somewhere else, you open the door, sit in the car, how you feel? You feel that somebody has put you in the furnace of fire. इतनी गर्म हो जाती है अंदर से कार. I am sharing one experience of my life with you. आजकल तो क्या है बच्चों, जितने भी आपके स्टीरियो डेक्स आते हैं कार के अंदर, उनके अंदर पेन ड्राइव रखते हैं. इन माई ओल्ड कार, इट्स ए लॉन्ग 15 years बैक स्टोरी, सीडी प्लेयर, डीवीडी सीडी डलती थी उसके अंदर गाने सुनने के लिए. लॉन्ग ड्राइव पे जाते हैं ना, तो बाकी लोग तो सो जाते हैं, जब मैं ड्राइव करता हूं तो मुझे अवेक रहने के लिए, ताकि मैं कहीं गाड़ी कहीं ठोक ना दूं, वो गाने सुनने के लिए सीडी मैंने अपने वो क्या वो जो आपका सीडी प्लेयर डीवीडी प्लेयर था उसमें रखी हुई थी. I forget to withdraw the CD when I locked the car in the sunbathing, for the sunbathing. Sunbathing means it was a scorching heat day and it was parked outside. We have gone somewhere. We came after 2-3 hours. And to my utmost surprise, that CD has wilted. It twisted in so many ways. वो टेढ़ी मेढ़ी हो गई. It was very difficult for me to even pull out from the CD player. मेरे को डर था कि कहीं मेरा CD player ही डैमेज ना हो जाए. किसकी वजह से हुआ? Why it happened? Because when the car was parked, the sun rays were putting directly over it. The glasses, window glasses, they allowed the shorter wavelengths heat rays to enter inside, and the longer wavelengths which were radiated back or reflected back, they could not go out of the car. That means the inside temperature of the car has risen to a very high extent, which has melted the CD in the CD player. That is the effect here. And this effect is known as the greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect is made up of the glass. Likewise, as the glass rooftop or the glass wall and all that, they are trapping the heat of the sun and not allowing it to bounce back or go back. Same way that in atmosphere, in environment, the layer of carbon dioxide which is in our environment, that layer of the carbon dioxide gas, it acts as a glass top roof. ग्लास टॉप रूफ, यानी ऊपर एक तरह से वो जो आपके कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस है एटमॉस्फेयर में, इट वर्क्स एज ए ग्लास टॉप रूफ. यू कैन से ए रूफ मेड अप ऑफ ग्लास which allows the sun rays of shorter wavelengths to cross and reach on the earth which is, or the soil which is reflecting back the sun rays, they are not allowed to go outside. वही shorter wavelengths, longer wavelengths. कहने का मतलब क्या है? In our environment there is carbon dioxide gas, and this carbon dioxide gas makes a what? ऊपर एक ग्लास रूफटॉप बना देती है, which allows the sun rays to enter and reach the earth soil, but it does not allow the heat rays which are reflected back or bounced back by the soil and the earth to go beyond that, वो जो लेयर है आपकी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस की. And it is good for habitation also. It is good for the planet Earth. Since so far our scientists, our astronauts and all that, they are searching for the life on some other planet. And as far as on date we can say Earth is the only planet where life is there, which is habitable, जहाँ लोग रहते हैं. Millions and millions of animals and plant species are there. Habitable है ये. Why? Because 3 things are required for life on any planet. तभी तो है मार्स पे पानी है नहीं है, एटमॉस्फेयर है नहीं है, चांद पे पानी के ट्रेसेस मिले, चंद्रयान ने ढूंढा, कभी कभी आती है न्यूज. Why our scientists are mad after finding out that whether there is water air, or you can say water atmosphere and some other things which are sporting of life. Yes, to spot life on any planet, three things are required. That is air. Air means atmosphere, having oxygen in it, because oxygen is required for breathing and all that. For living, oxygen is a must. Air, water. Yes, water is also a necessity. In 6th में हमने पढ़ा था. Then optimum temperature in which the life, plant or the animal can survive. Can survive. इसीलिए green house, plants need protection from colds, extreme colds. यानी कि ज्यादा ठंडा है, life is not possible. The survival of that plant is not possible. So we are thankful to the carbon dioxide gas in this way, that it is maintaining the optimum temperature on the earth. Though our poles, South Pole and North Pole, they are quite colder, glaciers are there, that is different. And it is thinly habitated there. वहां लाइफ नहीं है. लाइफ मतलब क्या है? लोग नहीं रहते वहां. तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस ट्रैपिंग, इट वर्क्स एज ए ट्रैपिंग, यानी ग्लास हाउस ट्रैप करता है हीट को, सेम वे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड हीट को ट्रैप करती है और हमारी अर्थ को उसका जो टेम्परेचर है मेंटेन करती है फॉर लिविंग. Okay, so this is nothing but the greenhouse effect. This is nothing but the greenhouse effect. Okay, so I have summed up. एक बार फिर हम रिवाइज करते हैं. How a greenhouse acts as a heat trap. कैसे करता है ट्रैप? Sun is extremely hot object and heat rays emitted are of shorter wavelength. वो एंटर हो सकती हैं ग्लास हाउस के अंदर. इनसाइड ऑफ ग्रीन हाउस लेस हॉट लॉन्गर वेवलेंथ कैन नॉट पास थ्रू ग्लास. ये हमने पढ़ लिया है. ओके. सिमिलरली ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड आवर एटमॉस्फेयर एक्ट्स एज ए ग्लास रूफ ऑफ ए ग्रीन हाउस. जीएच मैंने लिखा, कहेंगे मैंने कुछ और शब्द भी इस्तेमाल किए होंगे. मोटर व्हीकल एमवी लाइक दिस, आई विल लेट यू नो एट दैट टाइम. जीएच मीन्स ग्रीन हाउस. कहने का मतलब क्या है? प्रेजेंस ऑफ CO2 इन आवर एटमॉस्फेयर एक्ट्स एज ए ग्लास रूफ ऑफ ग्रीन हाउस. तो क्या करेगी वो? एंड ट्रैप्स सन रेज विद इन द अर्थ एटमॉस्फेयर एंड इट हैज मेड आवर व्हाट? Planet Earth a habitable planet. This is nothing but the greenhouse effect. और greenhouse effect क्या है? The warming up of the Earth atmosphere due to the trapping of sun heat rays by carbon dioxide gas in the atmosphere is called greenhouse effect. हमने पहले ही इसको, मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है. नटशेल में आप इसको डेफिनेशन ये कर सकते हो. व्हाट इज ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट? द वार्मिंग अप ऑफ द अर्थ एटमॉस्फेयर ड्यू टू द ट्रैपिंग ऑफ सन हीट रेज बाय कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस. कैसे? वो ग्लास रूफ ऑफ ग्रीन हाउस बनाती है. ठीक है. इन द एटमॉस्फेयर इज कॉल्ड ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट. सो विच हैज मेड लाइफ ऑन अर्थ पॉसिबल, हैबिटेबल प्लैनेट. बट यस, प्रॉब्लम कब क्रिएट होती है? एक्सेस ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. व्हाट विल बी देयर? A lot of greenhouse effect. That means a lot of warming of the earth atmosphere or even the earth itself, which leads to global warming. मैंने कहीं GW लिखा होगा. GW you can read as global warming. अब क्या है बच्चों? What are the side effects or the harmful effects of global warming? I remember when I was a kid like you, way back, 50 years back, even more than 50 years back. If I was in sixth, when I was in sixth, it was 1966. 54 years you can say. Not 50, more than 50 years, 54 years. When I was a kid like you, student like you of class 6, class 7, class 8. Yes, sorry, bachcho, it's 8. You can add 2 more years, 52 years, nothing like that. So 50 years plus, that is pakka. There were no ACs, there were no coolers in the nearby vicinity. Hardly somebody was having coolers. AC का तो बच्चों ये जो नाम है just 15-20 years back सुना हमने. We had been visiting the big cities also. There also people were not using. Reason being, the earth atmosphere was not so hot, or the temperature on the earth was not so high. Simply your fan was sufficient in the summer season. And these days, when you go in the house, go back to your house, first of all, what you are doing? You want to switch on the AC or the air cooler. Why? Temperature has gone up. So, what I mean to say is, this greenhouse effect is leading to what? Global warming. Why? Excess of carbon dioxide. Why excess of carbon dioxide? Day by day, due to the increase in the population. Yes, population is the सबसे बड़ा जो है वो cause है for each and every problem. Because more population, we require more food. If we require more food, we have to, you can say, deforest our forest. Deforestation करना पड़ेगा to have land for cultivation. More population, more dwellings, residences ज़्यादा चाहिए. More population, more industry and more factories to feed them. Each and day to day, daily need articles. From where the land will come? We have to cut down our forest. And when we are cutting down our forest, what is the side effect of that? Forest, our plants, they consume carbon dioxide to manufacture their food for themselves and ourselves, for us also. No forest, no trees and plants are there. Level of carbon dioxide will go up. Level of carbon dioxide will go up. More and more greenhouse effect. More and more global warming. More and more global warming. तो कहने का मतलब क्या है? साइड उसके जो हार्मफुल इफेक्ट्स हैं ग्लोबल वार्मिंग के क्या हैं बच्चों? If the temperature will go on rising like this, a day may come, you may not have water to drink, potable water नहीं होगा. बताता हूं कैसे बच्चों. जो दो तीन मेजर इफेक्ट्स है, हार्मफुल इफेक्ट्स हैं ग्लोबल वार्मिंग के, वो क्या है बच्चों? Yes, global warming can cause sea level to rise. Sea level to rise. यानी कि sea level will rise because of global warming. How it will happen? How it will happen? You know, there are glaciers. This is Antarctica and this is Arctic region, Greenland, Alaska and all that. जो टॉप कनाडा से ऊपर वाला जो एरिया है इधर, and the North Pole and the South Pole. Big glaciers are there. Antarctica पहुंचना ही मुश्किल है. Burf and burf, ice and ice, nothing else. These glaciers, due to the increase in temperature due to global warming, they will melt. Where this water after melting of ice will go? Into the sea. And what it will cause? Global warming can cause sea level to rise, and global warming can lead to lesser rainfall. Yes. If ice will melt, you know bachcho, our Gangotri glaciers, Gangotri glacier which is in our, you can say Uttarakhand, it is melting progressively. It is shrinking. The size of the Gangotri glacier is shrinking. गोमुख जहां से गंगा निकलती है, नॉट गंगा बट द भगीरथी, that is shifting. And as per the latest, you can say, research and all that, which has been published, I have read somewhere, if temperature will go on rising like this, that means if global warming is not stopped, it is allowed to carry on like this, that means temperature is rising, rising and rising. Ganga may dry up after 25 years. Your kids, even if they will visit Haridwar, they will not be having the fun of having dubki in the Har ki body. यानी के गंगा सूख जाएगी आफ्टर 25 years. जो सदियों से गंगा कल निर्वल निश्चल बहती रह रही है, वो सूख जाएगी. किसका रीजन? ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. और वो जो गंगा का पानी है अल्टीमेटली कहां पहुंचता है? कलकत्ता के अंदर सुंदरबन डेल्टा के बाद कहां घुसता है? सी में, समुद्र में. जब सारा पानी बच्चों ग्लेशियर्स का आइस का मेल्ट होके समुद्रों में पहुंच जाएगा, सीज में पहुंच जाएगा, व्हाट विल हैपन? द लेवल ऑफ द सी विल राइज and global warming may lead to lesser rainfall in some areas. Why? We know why in hilly areas or in the forest it rains more heavily. Reason being, after cloud formation, rain occurs if our clouds are getting a what? Colder areas. Colder. Hilltop, you can say yes. Hilltop, low temperature because the high altitude. Likewise, when ice is not there, forests are not there, our hilltops even will be hotter. Global warming hot already हो गया है. So इसका side effect क्या होगा? Lesser rain and it may lead to droughts even. सूखा पड़ेगा. No food to eat. पानी नहीं होगा तो क्रॉप्स ग्रो नहीं होंगी. फर्स्ट चैप्टर में हमने पढ़ा था क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन. पानी चाहिए, इरिगेशन चाहिए टाइम टू टाइम. सो दीज आर द साइड इफेक्ट्स ऑफ व्हाट? ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. ओके, नाउ लेट्स ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. यस, अब तक हमने पढ़ लिया ग्रीन हाउस है. व्हाट इज ग्रीन हाउस? ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट्स क्या है? इट लीड्स टू ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. व्हाट आर द साइड इफेक्ट्स ऑफ ग्लोबल वार्मिंग? सो जो मेन इसके अंदर बच्चों, विच इज द मेन रीजन ऑफ ग्लोबल वार्मिंग और विच इज द मेन गैस? दिस इज द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस, विच ट्रैप्स द हीट रेज एंड डज नॉट अलाउ इट टू गो बैक. अदर गैसेस बच्चों क्या है? मीथेन है, क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन है, नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड है, वाटर वेपर्स है. दे आर आल्सो doing the same thing which carbon dioxide is doing, but more actively major role is being played by the carbon dioxide gas. Reason being, day by day consumption of fossil fuels, diesel and petrol and other fuel is increasing due to the increase in population and other so many factors. क्या है बच्चों? हम 5 मेंबर होते हैं घर के. वी वांट टू हैव 5 डिफरेंट व्हीकल्स. और मुझे मालूम, याद है बच्चों, आई वॉज नॉट हैविंग इवन ए बाइसाइकिल ऑफ माई ओन टिल आई ज्वाइंड द जॉब इन 75. आई वॉज बोर्न इन 55 एंड आई गॉट माई ओन साइकिल इन 1975 when I joined the job after 20 years of my age. और आजकल क्या होता है बच्चों? +1 +2 में आप तब जाते हो जब आपके नीचे स्कूटी या बाइक होता है. लड़के बाइक लेते हैं और लड़कियां स्कूटी लेती हैं. घर में भूख हड़ताल पे बैठ जाएंगे, हम स्कूल नहीं जाएंगे जब तक स्कूटी या मोटर बाइक ना हो. सो व्हाट इट इज गोइंग टू डू? ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग और उस ग्लोबल वार्मिंग के जो इफेक्ट्स हैं दैट वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड. Now, सारी ये we have understood all this. So how we can control the air pollution, or what we can contribute in controlling the air pollution? How, rather you can say, how we can control the what? Pollution of our environment, or what we can contribute in controlling the air pollution or the pollution of the environment. छोटी बातें बच्चों, small things. If we are observing in our daily life, if we are doing small things in our life, we as individuals and at country level, our administration, our governments can do. They can help in controlling the what? Air pollution. So, controlling air pollution, क्या करना है आपको? Smokeless fuels. What we are doing these days? In majority of the houses, still till date, wood, coal is being used as domestic fuel. Change it over to क्या है बच्चों? Clean fuel है, आपकी हेल्थ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती. Switch over to LPG, और you can say पाइप्ड गैस आती है, उसको PNP बोलते हैं. Piped natural gas, PNP. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. It is a much cleaner fuel than your wood and coal fuel. Much cleaner means it is generating less harmful gases. So that is one way. Okay. Second, motor vehicles, alternate fuel. Yes. हमने डिस्कस किया. Maximum number of vehicles are there. Motor vehicles, cars, mopeds, motorbikes. What they are consuming? They are consuming fossil fuel to run. Majority of the cars, either petrol or diesel, and bikes and scooters, they are mainly of petrol. Diesel का अभी तक नहीं है. Okay. So what they are consuming? They are consuming what? Fossil fuels, diesel and petrol, and on burning of diesel and petrol, what is being emitted by the exhaust in atmosphere? Polluted gases, sulfur dioxide gas, oxides of nitrogen, lead oxide तो चलो आजकल बंद हो गया. Okay, then carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. What are these? These are harmful gases. They are doing what? They are polluting our atmosphere, environment, or air, you can say. So alternate. What is the alternate fuel for running the vehicles? CNG. Even LPG is also being used in cars. LPG kit लगता है आजकल. In Delhi, few years back, Delhi was such a polluted city, it was not possible to live a proper life there. As on date, in Delhi, 3 out of 10 persons, they are suffering from respiratory problem. That is the latest study. 30% of the population of Delhi is suffering from respiratory problems. Problems related with asthma, lungs, this and that, respiratory, breathing problems. So if it will carry on, it may increase in whole of the Delhi. That means जो भी दिल्ली में रह रहे हैं, वो सब सांस की बीमारियों से जकड़े हुए. What the Supreme Court has done, Green Tribunal has done, they have banned the use of diesel in पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट. वहां पे बच्चों आपको टैक्सी, ऑटो और जो बसेस चलती हैं, पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट जो लोगों को लेकर आती जाती हैं. इवन यस वो जो दूसरी बसेस भी हैं जो कमर्शियली अप्लाई करते हैं, नॉट अलाउड. दे आर यूजिंग व्हाट? अल्टरनेट फ्यूल, CNG, compressed natural gas, and there are petrol pumps supplying CNG. Indraprastha Gas Limited. Indraprastha Gas Limited, which is the sole distributor of CNG in Delhi. Okay, so alternate fuel. Yes, industry smoke should be controlled. Before releasing it, factories and industries, before releasing the smoke into the air through the chimneys, if it is washed with water jets, पानी sprinkle किया जाता है, water is sprinkled through jets and all that, what will happen? The soot and the carbon particles in the smoke, they will settle down. They will settle down. And the smoke which is released in the atmosphere will be having lesser polluting particles. Bricklins, आपके इर्द गिर्द बच्चों क्या है, जहां ईंटें बनती हैं, ब्रिकलिन, BKO, ब्रिकलिन owners, bricklins. Chimneys, big chimneys, they are emitting smoke in the air. Now you cannot install, or the already existing bricklins, they have to use smoke precipitators in their chimneys. Smoke precipitator means before release of the smoke is precipitated, वो छन जाता है, जो harmful particles हैं, carbon, soot and other ash particles, mainly maximum amount उसका वो filter होकर नीचे बैठ जाता है चिमनी. Smoke precipitator. So this way, in industry also we can control. Then non-polluting sources of energies. Yes. What we are doing to meet our ever-increasing energy requirements, we are having thermal power plants. There we are burning coal and increasing the air pollution. We can switch over to solar energy, hydel energy and wind energy. क्या है, if you happen to visit the coastal areas of particularly Kanyakumari, Madurai, शायद मैंने पहले भी आपको बताया हो, from Kanyakumari to Madurai you visit by road, beautiful windmills and energy power, electrical power energy is being generated or produced with the help of windmills. So alternate energy modes switch over कीजिए आप, solar energy की तरफ जाइए, wind energy, hydel energy like our dams, where the electricity is produced by using the falling water on the turbines. Bhakra Dam, Pong Dam, Narmada, this and that. So many dams have been constructed in our India. So alternative. Now this is what we have discussed so far. It is at the administration level, higher level, government level. What we can contribute, आप क्या कर सकते हैं to reduce the air pollution? छोटी छोटी बातें. Yes, not to burn waste. हम क्या करते हैं बच्चों? What we are generally doing? We are cleaning our house, particularly on a Diwali occasion and all that. We are throwing our, you can say, the household waste. We are not throwing, we are just what we are doing, यार क्या ऐसे आग लगा दो, पेपर वेस्ट है, कुछ भी है घर का, household waste, do not burn it यार. If you will burn, you are going to increase the level of carbon dioxide and other harmful gases in the atmosphere. कबाड़ी वाले को दे दो रिसाइकिल के लिए रद्दी को कागज की. Why you are burning? So stop burning. Not to burn the waste. जो कोई भी आपका waste निकलता है, if it is recyclable, plastic है, paper, anything, send it for recycle. Do not burn it. Save energy. Save energy कैसे बच्चों? आप देखते हो, और particularly if I am giving you my example, my duty out of 24 hours in a day, for at least you can say the 1 hour, I am just switching off the lights. क्या होता है? माइंड सेट होता है. घर में आपके मैम, they will go on switching on the lights. They will enter in the store, they will enter in the toilet, or they will enter in the room, they will switch on the, they have come out, but they will not switch off. अरे बाबा, when nobody is there in the store, when there is nobody in the toilet or the bathroom, and there is nobody in the room, nobody is watching or listening TV, why all these electrical gadgets are on? आपके स्टोर का बल्ब क्यों जल रहा है, आपका टीवी क्यों चल रहा है, आपका एसी क्यों चल रहा है, आपका फैन क्यों चल रहा है? What is that? Who is the culprit here? We are the culprit. We are the culprit. Unnecessary क्या होता है? I'm just giving you the example of Tatas, Jamshedpur. I was posted in Bihar for some time. This Jamshedpur with a part of Jharkhand these days, which was a part and parcel of Bihar. One of my junior told me, sir, it is sad, whether it is pakka, it is true or it is false, ये सच है या झूठा, nobody knows. Sir, these Tatas, they are generating, they are having their own powerhouse and all that. When they used to sit in their lawns in the evening, there was an order, clear-cut order by Jamshedji's to put off all the lights of their villa, their koti, their house. Just one bulb of 0 watt was allowed to be switched on. That's all. और हमारे यहाँ क्या होता है? हम लॉन में बैठे होते हैं बाहर और सारे घर की लाइटें टिमटिमा रही होती हैं जैसे हम दिवाली मना रहे हैं. क्या होता है बच्चों? घर में आते हैं गर्मियों में, एसी चला के बाहर बैठ जाते हैं. क्या कमरा ठंडा हो जाए फिर अंदर घुसेंगे? Really sorry sort of. What we are doing? We are wasting energy. We are not saving energy. At least, Baba, when there is no one in the room, fans, lights, cooler, AC, TV, all should be switched off. This is what you can contribute. This is what you can contribute. Yes. Grow more trees. Yeah. One more serve. Afforestation. Grow more trees, more green leaves, more photosynthesis, lesser carbon dioxide, less greenhouse effect, less global warming. That's all. आप कर सकते हो. Okay. Say no to cracker. Yes. Every time I am giving you a message in the assembly at the time of Deepavali. Say no to crackers. And once we have had a big rally also in the city, our school has a big rally in the city. Say no to crackers with big slogans and all that. And very next year I visited the government administration. I met the social welfare officer and all that. I told sir, we want permission to hold a rally. Say no to crackers on just few days or 2-3 days before Deepavali. You know what answer I got from the social welfare officer? Munjal sir, please tell. बच्चे हैं, बच्चे पटाखे नहीं चलाएंगे तो कौन चलाएगा? I was helpless. कहने का मतलब क्या है? We have to change our mentality. Say no to cracker means if we are burning fuel, crackers, smoke, this poisonous smoke is there in the air. What is going to do? It is going to increase the level of harmful gases which are going to have bad effect on our health. But no, it will take time to change our mentality. If you can contribute in saying no to crackers on each and every Deepavali, I will be thankful to you. Okay. Say no to cracker. Use bicycle for short distances. Yes. If your school is nearby, go by bicycle or on foot. पैदल भी जा सकते हो. बाइसिकल यूज कीजिए. ऐसा नहीं है घर में पापा के पास कार है, मैं तो कार पे ही जाऊंगा. या बाइक चाहिए मेरे को. +1 में हो, +2 में जाते हो, बाइक चाहिए तभी स्कूल जाऊंगा. अरे यार, पड़ोस में स्कूल है, Go by foot, go by bicycle. Why you are burning the fossil fuel and increasing or contributing to the what? Greenhouse effect, or contributing the what? Air pollution. And if your house is far away, market going also to bring some article or another. If it is nearby, go by foot or use bicycle. There is no need of using car, motorbike and all that. Unnecessary burning of fossil fuel. Yes, even if we have to go far away, school is far away, use the transport service of the school. Because that bus has to run. वो बस तो उस रूट पे जाएगी. If it is bringing 4 students, same burning of the fuel. If it is bringing 40 students, same quantum of fuel will be burned. Okay, चलिए. Here also you can public transport. आपने कहीं आना जाना है, अकेले जा रहे हो. कई बार मैं भी बच्चों घर में बोलता हूं. These days because of COVID, my family is not permitting me to go out. When I am going alone, I am not going by car. But because of COVID these days, of keeping in view my older age, my family is not permitting me to go by the public transport, that is bus. I may not get infected and all that. And I am using car also. Otherwise, if alone I am going, gentlemen, I am using public transport. और फनीएस्ट भी है बच्चों, यूजली मेरे सिरसा चक्कर बहुत लगते हैं. फतेहाबाद सिरसा इज 42 किलोमीटर. These days, you know, the bus fare, one side bus fare is 50 rupees, 50 up and 50 down. And I am a senior citizen, I have to pay 50%. That means in 50 rupees, up down is there. And whereas, if I am using my own car, 90 rupees is being charged by the toll people at Bahudin village. Yani 90 rupees, 90 rupees toll I have to pay. I can save 40 rupees from the toll that I can spend on what? That local rickshaw. That's all. But because of COVID, I am not using public transport. Otherwise, if I am alone, I am always using public transport. And I am trying my level best to contribute. And I expect from you people also to contribute by using public transport to save our environment from getting polluted. Okay? One thing more you can do. In Delhi I have seen, in big cities, क्या है बच्चों? In a certain locality, suppose 5-6 persons are going to the same place for job. आजकल क्या है बच्चों? दिल्ली में, चंडीगढ़ में, पंचकुला में अपार्टमेंट्स बनते हैं. और वो क्या है? पीपल ऑफ द सेम ऑफिसेस, सेम डिपार्टमेंट. क्या बिग ऑफिसेस है बच्चों वहां पे? सेक्रेटरिएट है वहां पे रहना गवर्नमेंट का. दिल्ली में सेक्रेटरिएट है, डिफेंस ऑफिसेस हैं, एग्रीकल्चर ऑफिस हैं. एग्रीकल्चर ऑफिसेस वालों ने मिलकर सोसाइटी बना के अपार्टमेंट्स आते हैं. नाउ दे हैव टू विजिट द सेम सेक्रेटरिएट एरिया. एग्रीकल्चर भवन जाना है. What they are doing? They are pool system. 5-4 persons, they are joining together. Everybody is given turn-wise rotation. 1 week you will bring your car. Second, same apartment, same area से आपने starting point same है, आपका end point same है, journey का ऑफिस जाने के लिए. Use one car. उससे क्या होगा बच्चों? 5 persons are using 5 cars. And if these 5 persons are using 1 car, we are saving 80% of the burning of the fuel. And we are contributing towards lesser air pollution, lesser greenhouse effect, and lesser global warming. And so with this, we end our today's topic. थोड़ा lengthy हो गया, 15 minutes का. Anyhow, in the last session, we will complete this topic of this air and water, pollution of air and water. Water pollution रह गया. We will try to finish in one more lecture. So enjoy your study. कुछ explain ज़्यादा हो गया, but yes, it was descriptive. इसमें कोई समझने वाली नहीं है, सोचने और करने वाली बात है. Let's try to do that also. So any problem, please you can contact me over phone. Thank you. Enjoy your studies.